The King and the Foolish Monkey. There was once a king who had a pet monkey. The monkey always accompanied the king and even did little chores for him. One afternoon, as the king took a nap, the monkey sat next to the king and fanned him. Meanwhile, a fly came and sat on the king's nose. The monkey tried to shoo it away, but it kept coming back. Frustrated with the fly, the monkey took the king's dagger to kill it. He attacked the fly as it sat on the king's neck, killing the king instantly. Moral: a fool can never assist you to glory.